Welcome back. It's bad news for mackerel lovers. Scientists have found out that traditional fish varieties, including mackerel, are moving towards the east coast. Scientists have attributed this unusual phenomenon due to climatic changes.
The famous mackerel, popularly known as bangro in local parlance, is now shifting towards the east coast. The mackerel, including other varieties of traditional fish like sardines, are usually restricted to the coast of Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. These fish, which are usually found at the upper level, they are now netted by the trawlers at deeper place, which is unusual. Scientists at NIO have attributed this sudden shift due to the climatic changes or changes in water resulting in oxygen minimum columns. With this, there is a fear that Goans may lose out on their favorite bangro. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Private deforestation is on the rise in the state, especially in North Goa. The Forest Department's record for last 3 years says 16,488 trees have been cut in North Goa, whereas in South Goa the number is 15,918. The North Goa has shown a rise of around 60% in the trees cut in the past 1 year. Here is a report.
Here is the report of the Forest Department. In last 3 years, since 2007, Forest Department has allowed thousands of permissions to the private parties to cut down the trees. However, how much was the afforestation to compensate this loss of green cover is a big question mark. In North Goa, in the year 2007-2008, number of licenses issued to the private parties were 773. In the year 2008-2009, 1001, and in the year 2009-2010, 1447. Number of trees permitted for cutting 4,258, 4,642 and 7,588. Number of trees felled by the private individuals are 3,823, 4,552 and 6,266. The amount collected for permitting the felling of trees and security deposit collected is as follows. In South Goa Division, in the year 2007-2008, number of applications received and disposed of were 1,426, 2008-2009, 1,741, 2009-2010, 1,417. Number of trees permitted for felling is 6,278, 5,136, 4,504. Number of trees rejected 1, 4 and 1. The amount of fee collected and security deposit is as shown. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Private operators have opposed any plans of the government to nationalize more routes in Goa. Bus operators feel that further nationalization would badly affect their business. They say government is planning to nationalize 3 more state routes.
Panji Madgaon, Panji Vasco and Panji Madgaon are the 3 nationalized routes in Goa. On these nationalized routes, only Kadamba can ply its buses. Private bus operators are denied permits. Now, the government is further planning to nationalize 3 more state routes. These proposed routes are Panji to Mapsa, Panji to Ponda and Panji Valpoe via Amona. Bus operators say this move will affect their business and they would oppose it tooth and nail.
हे जो रूट नॅशनलायज करीत न्हू जाल्यार जवळ जवळ म्हापसा पणजे 70-80 बसी वयतल्यो मागीर पणजेच्यान वाळपय आहा वाया आमोणा थंयसर जवळ जवळ आनीक 70-80 बसी आनी पणजे फोंडा 60-70 बसी मेळोन आनी कितें जातलें दुसरे जे पळय रूट आहा पळय त्या रुटांक ऑटोमॅटीक मार बसतलो म्हणजे फाल्यां कितें नॅशनलायज जालो म्हणून कोण तो बस काडून आपली घरा बंद दवरचो ना तो काडटलो आनी ती बस आनीक खंयसर दुसऱ्या रुटाक घालतलो पूण सबंद गोंयान जे पळय सद्या योग्य तरेन पळय जे चल्लेले आहा ते सुदरोवपाचें जाणून आयज वाहतूक खातें आनी वाहतूक मंत्री आनी कदंबा मेळोन हें आनीक वर्स पोजिशन करपाचो तेंचो प्लॅन आहा.
Bus operators held a meeting in Panji on Sunday to oppose proposed nationalization. They have challenged the government to give better services than private operators or else shelve the plan of nationalization.
जे 3 रूट नॅशनलायज केल्या थंयसर 122 बसी चलताल्यो आनी आयज कदंबा थंयसर आमचे प्रायवेट 122 चलताले थंयसर आयज कदंबा 80 बसी चलयता आनी आमी सरकाराक तेच परत आव्हान करता की थंयसर 200 बसी चलोवन दाखया थंय लोकांक बरी सेवा दिया आनी मागीर तुमी कितें आहा तें फुडलो विचार करा.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Now a look at the other happenings in the state.
Mapsa Yuva Mandal, a youth wing, was inaugurated in Mapsa on Saturday. Speaker of Goa Assembly Pratap Singh Rane inaugurated the wing. Dr. Pramod Sargaonkar was the guest of honor. President of Mapsa Yuva Mandal Ashish Shirodkar, businessman Tulsidas Shirodkar, Ramdas Farari and others were present at the inauguration. The newly formed Mandal has decided to provide CCTV for temples and churches in Mapsa. A souvenir of Mandal was also launched. Senior citizens were felicitated on the occasion. Shantadurga Kala and Krida Club had organized a Mashal rally on the eve of Independence Day in Vasco on Saturday. Freedom fighter offered flowers to Hutatma Smarak and lighted the Mashals. People from all walks of life had participated in this rally. It was an Independence Day for these two parrots too. Sandeep Naik from Santines on 64th Independence Day of India freed the parrots that he was taking care of from past 1 year. He feels that birds should be let free in the huge sky. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break here. We'll be right back.